time since you guys last saw me. I think it's been like 2 weeks since my last video. The trip to Cuba was great. It was amazing. Someone keeps texting me. It was great. I didn't die. I got back safely. So thank you guys so much for worrying about that. Hope you guys are obviously doing amazing and having a beautiful day, and that everything is okay since the last time I left. With that said, let me show you guys what you guys have been missing, really. Not my face. You guys have been missing this. Thankfully, nothing happened to her while I was gone. I actually left her on the back of the house. As you guys know, there's like a little entrance over there. That's where I left her. I did not leave her out here because, I don't know, I just wanted her in there. Since I didn't drive her for a full week, which is really good because I didn't put miles on her. So I'm pretty happy about that. Man, this is awesome. I really miss you guys. I miss filming videos. So with all that said, I'm pretty sure you guys miss this, but this is a cold start on 2009 straight pipe 370Z. I gotta give it to you, bros. I gotta give it to you, bros. Man, I miss this car. So I'm getting in the car so you guys can see. She's getting old, 70,000 miles. Should I do a video on it? Should I? Should I not? Let me know. The drone in this car is insane. I really need a mic. With all that said, let's set up the camera with her, bros. I'm really excited to make this video. I'm really excited to be back. And let's talk about the top 3 best first mods you should do to your car or 370 or 350Z. Yeah, let's talk about that. Actually, bros, before we start the video, it'd be really rude of me not to shoot Brittany. You guys haven't seen her in like 2 weeks, so as you can see, everything's normal. Everything's looking good, looking the same. But I know you guys love seeing her, so here she is. Something car related that I did in Cuba, bros. I drove a 1947 Land Rover. I know, it was insane. I think I'm gonna put up a video right now of me driving it. I don't know if it's a good video enough to put. But good thing I did not stall, so I'm pretty proud of that. It was pretty hard to drive. It was weird, like the clutch, instead of going in, it was like down. The pedals were down instead of... Why is there such bad rattling in this car? Well, the pedals went down instead of in, so it was super weird. But thankfully, I didn't stall. Alright guys, so enough talking about my trip to Cuba. You guys don't really care. You guys want to hear the mods. First mod we are going to talk about, bros, it's going to be something that even the GTR struggles with. And most people do it to the GTR also, as soon as they get it. And that is going to be an exhaust setup. This car is honestly a little bit too quiet from stock. Like if it's your first really nice sports car, really high-end sports car, it does have a really nice tone to it. Trust me, like when I sat and I accelerated to like 6,000, 7,000 RPMs, that engine screamed and I thought it was super loud. But then a month passed, 2 months passed. I watched a bunch of videos of, and I've seen and I've heard other 370s in person. And I'm like, dang, my 370 is so quiet. So that's why I ended up getting an exhaust. But this car does need an exhaust, guys. And it just sounds so beautiful and so nice. And the tone and how meaty it sounds. The VQ engine with an exhaust setup is one of the best sounding engines, hands down. And I don't know why. I mean, like I already said, the GTR, even the GTR from factory is so tamed and so not loud. And I mean, I can understand why though. Not everybody that buys a 370 or GTR is a car enthusiast and wants a really loud car. But I mean, just a little bit louder won't hurt anybody. So I don't really want to end it at that note. I don't want to just tell you guys to get an exhaust and not tell you why to get an exhaust or which exhausts are good. So I'm going to talk about my exhaust setup and the cheaper route. Yeah, it's definitely a cheaper route. I think everything in total cost me around 600 or 700 around there. So I got the non-resonated AM short tails. I think every single day I get a comment or a DM on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram yet, it's right here. But every single day I get a DM or a comment on Instagram asking me for my exhaust setup. So hopefully this video slows that down and it's every week instead of every day. But my exhaust setup, guys, it's a non-resonated AM short tails and non-resonated test pipes. Test pipes I got off of eBay, or Amazon, I don't know. I think they don't sell them on eBay anymore, I'm not sure. But if you type in non-resonated test pipes on eBay, they cost like $120. It's those right there. The non-resonated AM short tails, obviously, I got it from AM. It costs around $420, everything included. Because I did not get the burnt tips. If you get the burnt tips, it's like $420. Oh, there's a 370. There's a 370. I forgot what I was saying. Wow. Oh yeah, the AM short tails. They cost me $420, like $421 or so, everything included. So other pretty popular exhausts for the 370Z are NVIDIA. Then you got the Fast Intentions. All these go for like $1,300, $1,400, $1,600 around there. NVIDIA, Fast Intentions. And the cheapest, but probably the highest quality and the best sounding and the most popular, as you guys already know, it's the Tomei, or Tomei, or Tomei however you want to say it, which I might get in the future. I don't know. Let me know if you guys want me to get a tummy. They do sound pretty insane, and with my test pipes, man, that's gonna sound beautiful. It goes for like 900 bucks, which is insane. So let me know if you guys want to see a tummy on this channel. Maybe down the future I can sell my AM short tails to one of you guys and buy a tummy. Let me know. But either way, bros, doesn't matter what exhaust setup you get, whether it is axle back, cap back, doesn't matter what it is. As soon as you make that change for the car, it's gonna sound beautiful, and you guys are not gonna regret it. Even though the 370Z looks absolutely perfect, guys, I'm not just saying that because I own one or because I love the line. Honestly, this car is absolutely perfect from factory. It's already low. The wheels, if you get the sport package, look absolutely perfect. I mean, look at my wheels. That's what I still have. I really couldn't think of visual mods that you would want to do to change up the car, because I mean, it already looks really good. Like, there's no reason to change it up. I'm being a really big hypocrite right now. But the only thing I would really say you should consider doing to the Z as your second mod after the exhaust is honestly just wheels for the car, because the car's already low, guys. And if you go 20-inch wheels instead of 19s that it comes with, I mean, it's gonna close that gap even more. And honestly, you don't really need to lower the car, but that's gonna be the next one on the list, sadly. And the awesome part, guys, is there are so many wheel variations that the 370Z looks good in. It's insane. Like, cars like a Mustang and things like that, like more American type cars, don't really look good with every single wheel. But the 370Z line, 350Z, 280, 240, all those cars, there's so many wheels out there you can get that would look beautiful with a car. Like, honestly, in my opinion, way too many choices. So let's go over a few that I wrote down for you guys, including the ones I plan on getting. Oh, I always scrape here. Oh my gosh. And all these wheels that I'm gonna tell you guys are expensive, like, honestly. But they look super clean, so you can't really bash on them. The first ones, and probably the most expensive ones that are really popular for 370s and GTRs, are TE37s. I think that's how you say the name. I don't know. It's literally TE37s. A YouTuber by the name of Z Blurry has them. You guys probably know him. Shout out to Z Blurry. Your Z is absolutely beautiful, bro. Hopefully one day we can make a video together, and yeah. But I would say those are definitely my dream wheels. Like, one day I hope to get those wheels, because they are expensive, guys. At least for the price that I saw online, they are super expensive. Way too much for me. I don't think I can afford that right now, or for the next 10 years or so. Another set of wheels I really want to talk about are called Rohana RF1s and RF2s, I think. Those two are really nice, and they're really not that popular at all. I think I saw them, I forgot where I saw them. I think Z Blurry also had them. Basically, he's copying his build. I'm just kidding, but those wheels, guys, look super nice. I think they go for like 1400 to 1600, which are also way too expensive. But I think I might get those instead of the ones I'm going to talk about now that I think about it. Ones I plan on getting are called Nietzsche Misanos, or Nietzsche. I don't know. I'm going to spell the name somewhere on here. I'm also going to put a picture, but those are super nice. I saw a 370Z, my exact same Nismo body kit, and the exact same color with those on. I think it was like bronze or black. I'm not sure. I don't remember. But it looked absolutely just sick, guys. So I think that those are the ones I'm going to go with next. Hopefully, fingers crossed. And I just remembered, guys, wheels might even be more expensive than you guys think, because usually most of the time you're gonna get wheels with different specs than your OEM wheels. So you gotta get new tires and just a lot of new things that are gonna cost even more money. And tires are expensive, like too expensive. But in the bright side, you're getting new wheels, new tires, which is most likely going to allow you to do this. So I know I'm talking, oh my gosh, I almost just stopped. So I know I'm talking specifically about 350s and 370, guys, but as I'm making this video, this really just goes for any car. Any car with an exhaust and wheels, it's just, it has to be one of the first mods. Listen to this, guys. So I know I already said, guys, that the 370Z, it's low, so you don't really have to lower it as one of your first mods, because it's already so low. Like, if you compare it to other sports cars, it's probably one of the lowest ones. But for number 3, I honestly could not think of anything. Like, I thought, spent like time sitting down and being like, what's a good first mod for the 370 other than exhaust and the wheels? And I could not think of anything. And then I really thought about it, and even though the 370Z is already low, once you have wheels and you really just close that gap, it makes the car look so sick, guys. Like, it makes it look so good. But yeah, you can either go springs, which is what I have, like I already said, or you can go coilovers. I think the spring cost me, I forgot, but I think it was around 280 to like 320. I'm not 100% sure, maybe less. maybe like 160 or 200, around there, 240 I think. I'm like throwing out so many numbers, but around there, 240 to like 280. That's how much springs cost me compared to coilovers, which is like $1,000+ that I could not afford at the time. So I have springs for now. Later on, way later on, after wheels, after my hood, after everything, I might get either bags or coilovers. We'll see. And honestly, bros, if you really don't want to go the route of lowering your car, something you can do is, instead of spending a lot of money on just a little thing, or a big one, I mean, you can do little things like vinyl wrapping the roof, blacking out the headlights, and just little things like this that are probably gonna cost less than lowering your car and just give you a bigger result. Well, bros, that pretty much brings the video to an end. Hope you guys enjoyed it. So here are the little details that I always tell you guys and that I just talked about. Here are the vinyl wrap black mirrors. Here are the carbon fiber door handles. Here are the blacked out headlights, which I did not make a video on. I'm sorry, I totally forgot about that. And what I plan on doing next is vinyl wrapping the roof and doing the pillars like I already said on the side. I don't know when I'm gonna do it, but hopefully soon, because that's gonna make the car look so sick, bros. So sick. So with that said, bros, sadly this is the end of the video. I know, but the next one, guys, it's gonna be so amazing. A lot of you guys guessed it on the last video in the comments below what the next video is gonna be, but I'm gonna be filming it this Sunday, so hopefully, fingers crossed, it's up either Monday or Tuesday. But it's gonna be an epic video, and I hope you guys really enjoy it. Hope you guys really enjoyed this one, and I was able to help you on picking up your first mods for your 370Z, 350Z, or just any car in general. Honestly, all the cars are the same. Be sure to let me know in the comments below what 3 first mods should be done to the 370Z first, and what was your first mod.
Everything around you that
and with that said, bros, from Brittany and I,
we'll
see you guys next time on an amazing video, next level video.
All that I
Peace.
intend.